today's Ninja Art tip, I would like to show you a few more ideas that you might want to use for your visual diary, for your journal, for your artist year. In a previous tip I've shown you how to do a title page like this, and if you've got a visual diary like this one that's got this clear cover, it's great because you can do a very decorative title page on there which busts open the brand new journal so that you can then feel free to go and wreck other pages and have full freedom in there. So if you've got a clear cover, it's good because the title page shines through, but if you've got one of the really common visual diaries that's got a black cover on it, then you can still do a lovely title page on the inside that's just for your eyes only when you open it up. But when you have a collection of these, if you do one every year like I do, then you want to know by looking at the outside cover which one is which. So what I do is, if I use the black covered visual diary, is I do some decoration on the outside. So on the inside here I've got a funny little title page that I put in there, and on the outside you can just use some sort of permanent marker that's going to show up on here. I was using a gold, I think this is a Krylon pen that I used on this one. So that's added a bit of shimmer to it. Did a bit of zen tangling, some zen doodles there. And if you have acrylic pens, those acrylic pens that are made, that use acrylic paint in them, then that will stick beautifully to the front of this plasticky black cover as well. Here's another idea that I used for one of my very early on ones, is I just jammed a bit of fabric, collage sort of idea on the front cover there, just with some strong glue. There's a couple of layers of different fabrics there, and I just left a nice rough edge on this denim that I put on the front. And I just put a little sticky label on there saying which year it was. And so then on the inside it's got a fun little title page that I had a lot of fun with in there as well. So there's some ideas for you. If you've got an everyday visual diary that's got a black cover, you can have a bit of fun and use the acrylic pens or any sort of permanent marker that's going to show up on the black cover, and that'll stay really easily on the front of the cover for years to come. But still always bust open the journal and break it up by doing your title page, put your focus words, and don't forget to always have your contact details inside on that first page. Make sure you've got your contact details in there in case you ever happen to leave your precious visual diary on a park bench somewhere after you've been sketching. You know, if it goes missing, you've really got to have that information in there. So that's what I need to do to fill in on this one as well. So I hope you like that tip and have a lot of fun with that. Make sure you start your artist journal for the year. It doesn't matter what you put in it. You can put any sort of things in it. I'm going to show you in the next few tips a few ideas of inspiring you to fill the pages of your visual diary. Thanks for watching.